Everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss about laws of exponents for real numbers, and we have to discuss some exercise questions related with this laws of exponents for real numbers. Laws of exponents for real numbers. First one is a raised to m into a raised to n. Here the base are same, powers are different. Operation between them is multiplication. So the answer is a raised to m plus n. For example, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4, that is equal 2 raised to 3 plus 4 equal 2 raised to 7. Okay. Then second one is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Here this is division. Between them the operation is division. Base is same but exponents are different. So its answer is a raised to m minus n. Here one condition is there, m should be greater than n. Okay. Then third one, a raised to m whole raised to n. What it will be? A raised to m into n. A raised to m whole raised to n. Power of a power. It will be a raised to m into n. For example, 2 raised to 2 whole raised to 3. What it will be? 2 raised to 2 into 3 equal 2 raised to 6. Okay. The next is fourth one. A raised to m into b raised to m. Here the powers are same, base are different. Operation between them is multiplication. So the answer is a into b whole raised to m. Power we have to write only once. For example, 2 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 3. What it will be? 2 into 4 raised to 3 equal 8 raised to 3. Okay. The next is fifth one. A raised to m by b raised to m. Same way division. So a by b whole raised to m. Divide the base and write the exponent or power only once. Next is any number raised to 0. A raised to 0 should be 1. Next one is any number raised to 1. That will be that number itself. A raised to 1 equal a itself. Next is eighth one, that is 1 by a raised to n. That is equal a raised to negative n. Otherwise, we can say a raised to negative n equal 1 by a raised to positive n. That all you studied in lower class. The ninth one is 1 by a raised to negative n. That will be a raised to positive n. That is a raised to n equal 1 by a raised to negative n. So these are the laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay. Then here a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, a raised to m by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n, a raised to m whole raised to n, power of a power, a raised to m into n, a raised to m into b raised to m. Powers are same, base are different. Multiplication. So we have to do the multiplication between these bases. A into b whole raised to m. Power we have to write only once. Same way a raised to m by b raised to m. Divide the base, write the power only once. Then any number raised to 0 will be 1. Any number raised to 1 will be that number itself. Okay. The next is 1 by a raised to n equal a raised to negative n. So a raised to n equal what? 1 by a raised to n. Then 1 by a raised to negative n, a raised to positive n. That is a raised to n equal 1 by a raised to negative n. Exercise 1.6, first section, find. There are 3 sub-questions in the session. First sub-question is 64 raised to 1 by 2. So here we have to prime factorize the 64. So when we factorize 64, then we will get 2 raised to what? 2 raised to 6. Then raised to 1 by 2. Right? 64 raised to 1 by 2 means 2 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 2. Here it has power of a power. So we have to multiply them. Now we can cut this 6 and 2. Then what we will get? 2 raised to 3. The 6 and 2 we can cut. Then 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So 2 raised to 3, that is equal 2 into 2 into 2 equal 8. Any way you can express. So 8 is the answer, or 2 raised to 3 is the answer. Question is 32 raised to 1 by 5. So here we have to prime factorize 32. Then we will get 2 raised to 5. So here we can write 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 1 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. Power of a power, then we have to multiply the powers. 5 and 5 will cut, then what we will get? 2 raised to 1, that is equal 2. Third sub question is 125 raised to 1 by 3. So first we have to do the prime factorization. Then we will get it as 5 cube. So we can write it as 5 cube whole raised to 1 by 3. Then power of a power, then we have to multiply the powers. 3 into 1 by 3. Then cut this 2 3's. Okay, this 3 and this 3 we can cut, then which is remain 5 raised to 1, that is 5 itself. Exercise 1.6, question number 2. Find. Okay, here 4 sub questions. First sub question is 9 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, 9 raised to 3 by 2. Here we have to prime factorize 9. You already know that 9 means what? 3 raised to 2. Then raised to 3 by 2. Then we can multiply the powers. Then this 2 and this 2 will cut. Then we will get 3 raised to 3. That is equal 3 into 3 into 3 equal 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Sub question is 32 raised to 2 by 5. We already done the prime factorization of 32, that we got as 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 by 5. 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. Multiply the powers. Then we can cut this 5's. Then what we will get? 2 raised to 2. That is equal 2 into 2 equal 4. Sub question is 16 raised to 3 by 4. So here we have to do the prime factorization for 16. Then we will get 2 raised to 4. That we can write here 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 4. Then we can multiply the powers because it is power of a power. Okay, then we can cut this 4 and 4. Then what is remaining? 2 raised to 3. 2 into 2 into 2 equal 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. Sub question is 125 raised to negative 1 by 3. So here we have to do the prime factorization. Then we will get 5 raised to 3. So we can substitute that here. 5 raised to 3 raised to negative 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 3 into negative 1 by 3 equal 5 raised to negative 1. 5 raised to negative 1 means 1 by 5 raised to 1 equal 1 by 5. Exercise 1.6, third question. Simplify the following. Okay, here 4 sub questions are there. Then first sub question is 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. So here this is related with the identity a raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m into a raised to n. Then what we will get? A raised to m plus n. A raised to m plus n. This is m, this is n. Then we have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, so 2 raised to 2 into 5 10 plus 3 into 1 3 by 3 into 5 50. So equal 2 raised to 13 by 50. 2 raised to 13 by 15 is the answer. Here no need to find out the last answer. Here we have to simplify this given expression only. Okay. Sub question is 1 by 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. First we have to give this 7 to the numerator and the denominator. then we will get 1 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. 1 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. 1 raised to 7. 1 raised to any number will be 1 itself. Then 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7 is as power of a power. Okay. So that we will do as multiplication. 3 into 7. That is equal 1 by 3 raised to 3 sevens are 21. This we can rewrite as 3 raised to negative 21. It is the reciprocal. Here it is positive power. So when we write its reciprocal, that become change as negative. So 3 raised to negative 21. You can express this answer in the form of 1 by 3 raised to 21 or in this form that you can do anyway. Sub question is 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. Here the base are same, denominators are different. Operation between them is division. So we have to subtract the powers. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Then here we can do the cross multiplication. So 11 raised to 1 into 4, 4 minus 1 into 2, 2 by 2 into 4, 8. So that is equal 11 raised to 2 by 8. That we can again simplify 2 by 8 as 1 by 4. We can divide that by 2. Both the numerators and denominator. So answer is 11 raised to 1 by 4. Here I do that by cross multiplication method. You can do that by LCM method also. Okay. Anyway, you will get the answer as 11 raised to 1 by 4. Sub question is fourth one, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Here the powers are same, bases are different. Between them the operation is multiplication. So we have to multiply 7 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Power we have to write only once. Then 7 8s are 56 raised to 1 by 2. This is the answer. So dear children, you should remember that you have to attend the test paper and send it back as soon as possible. And you have to write the notes properly. In the next session onwards, we have to discuss about how to locate irrational numbers on a number line. Square root spiral also we will discuss in the next 3 sessions. Okay, that square root spiral construction is the subject enrichment activity for this year. So students, you should be careful in the next sessions very well. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.